Okay, so quick tutorial for the Lexus GS350 mirror. We can see here that my mirror is in one piece. So in this case, I had a broken mirror case, which is the exterior, comes in three parts. This part right here, the screws into the rear case, rear cover I should say, white part. And then the bottom piece, which houses the light here, of course the turn signal. This is a separate part. And if your case is broken, it's not the cover is broken, not the best way to do it, but I actually just used some basic tools and carefully broke it off. So we backed into the garage, and this entire area was cracked. It was cracked here. So snap that off, and then with a screwdriver gently from the other side, from behind here, spread apart these little clips. There's 4 of them. You can do the bottom 2 and push the mirror out towards the rear of the car. Do the top 2, and then the mirror can come loose. Don't just go yanking away though. It's connected here. You do not have to disconnect these to replace the cover. The mirror will slide right through. The only other thing is, there's some little sticky double-sided tacky tape there. I'm assuming that's to prevent vibrations. I'll see if I have something to take care of that. Now, if your mirror glass is broken, as horrible as it sounds, if you had to get it off, you could actually break apart the mirror, being careful not to, of course, damage the motor here. This is the adjustment motor that it connects to. And then you'd have to, of course, disconnect the wires and things like, disconnect and reconnect the wires and things like that for your new mirror. So yeah, you'd basically have to break it off, because there's not really any other way to get it off. Like I said, it snaps onto here. So you'd have to take off the entire cover to carefully remove it. What you can see here when we put the mirror up, there's no access to those screw holes in the rear. So yeah, to summarize, if your cover is broken, you can break off the cover. Just be careful if you want to save your turn signal indicator. And like I said, 3 pieces. It comes with all 3 pieces for about $80. This piece, the piece goes around here, and then this bottom piece is a separate piece. A lot of these just click together. They fit together perfectly. It's just, like I said, the 5 screws. So 1, 2, I'm not sure if you can see all this is dark, 3, 4, and 5. So now that I replaced the cover, I'll simply just click this back in here. Like I said, just friction fits. First I'll see if I can find some sort of tacky stuff to put on there, and we'll go from there. This is the blind spot monitoring mirror, so it's very expensive. So you want to try to avoid replacing the glass, and the motor is also very expensive. The cover is $80, so hopefully you just need the cover. Good luck, everyone. Thanks.